Yep, here we go. It's another level 3 beauty loop. I actually went in before we even got the notifications because I was already going to buy something anyway. Saw it in my app, picked it up. Yay. I haven't even put away the last one and I still haven't received my beauty loop loves from an online order, but hey. Boom. I got Balance and Brighten because my face is fine, and so that's the one the lady recommended to me. Ta-da! What are we saying? Get to know our skincare greats. We see and test a lot of skincare, so we're giving you the Beauty Loop scoop on some of our favorite finds for bright and balanced skin. There were 2 others. One was like for dry skin, hydrate and nourish maybe? And then the other one was firm and something. I do not have any particular concerns, so yeah, Balance and Brighten. Well, the thing that made me go for it is I could see on the counter there's a vitamin C in there, but let's go through the things that they're telling us about. Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. I'm quite happy with my current cleanser, but whatever, it's not going to be able to focus on that because I'm so professional. I have the best gear. Yeah, cool. I have only used the Korres moisturizer before because I've got that twice. Kind of interesting, I guess. I just, it's yogurt vibes again. I'm not a fan of yogurt, but I guess I'll try it. If I don't like it, I'll give it to my mum. The thing that I wanted, we have CEO, Sunday Riley, CEO 15% vitamin C brightening serum. I was actually thinking of buying this standalone. You know, I finished that one that I got from the Boxing Day sale, which I only used, like they said, use 4 pumps. I used 2 pumps. Just because I'm doing my face. I don't really care about the rest of me. I get covered up a lot anyway. And it just doesn't seem that necessary. So it probably lasted twice as long as it should do, and I was only using it maybe 3 times a week, and you know, at night, because apparently that was a night one. And it was fine. It was a kind of brownish, which it said this doesn't affect how it works, but it was just, whereas when I've used this in the past, and I will confirm again for myself, but when I've used this in the past, it smells nice, it looks nice. I like Sunday Riley's products, and so when I run out of some other stuff, I might get more of the things, but I wanted to buy their starter set. It's like $213, but it has 4 different things in it to try, just so I can double confirm that these are the products I like, although this one will help me with the vitamin C. But you know, it's sort of a decent, you essentially get 1 for free, I worked out. But it's out of stock. Like, I finally ran out of other things and it's out of stock. I don't know if it's coming back. So, yay for getting to try the vitamin C. Now, vitamin C, it says, packed with a powerful form of vitamin C, this serum brightens, hydrates, and fights free radicals, which sounds political. Apply to clean skin morning or night. Can you do both? Morning or night? Not morning and or night? Okay, well, what I want it for is not so much the brightening, but just for like a little bit extra sun protection. Because, you know, sun cream it feels awful. You know, like the Mecca Cosmetica ones, the serum ones are okay, but they're still not great. So I don't want to be reapplying that all day. If I can just have a little bit, you know, extra with the vitamin C, it gives like a tiny little bit extra protection, and it smells nice. And honestly, for me, the main thing about skincare, I guess like the eye cream, I think, has helped, and my acne seems to be more under control. But other than that, I'm not noticing a huge amount. What I am noticing is in the morning, I struggle to wake up in the morning. And when I go through this routine, it actually does help wake me up. And sort of, I don't know, especially some of the stuff that smells nice, it changes my brain a little bit so I can get through the morning. Sunday Riley stuff smells good. Doesn't bother my face. Maybe it helps. I don't know. The eye cream smells better than the one I'm using now, which is Cosmetics, I think. So cool. Ramble about that. That's the one I'm most keen on. And then we've got Tatcha the water cream. This is the sort of Japanese vibes one. It does say it's made in Japan. Just, you know, I don't know if it's actually Japanese or if it's just made there and it's designed somewhere else. I haven't looked into it. Tatcha the water cream instantly floods the skin with Japanese superfoods for superior hydration. Use it day or night whenever your skin needs a big drink. So I guess you can use it whenever. It's a moisturizer. Cool. I have so many moisturizers. I finally started on the Glow Recipe one, the one that smells like watermelon. It really smells like watermelon. But so I'm using like the Mecca ones, the random samples in the morning. Just because I've got the CeraVe one, it's a little bit thick during the day, especially if I'm going to put sun cream over it, so I'm using that one at night. And then playing with these during the day, as long as I don't go on autopilot and accidentally use the CeraVe one. Anyway, so is my skin going to get balanced and brightened by these products? I don't know, and you probably won't know either, because I'm probably not going to use the cleanser until I run out of my current cleanser, and I'm like, shit, I run out of cleanser. Although I have another one that's like this cheap one that I bought, not realizing I probably didn't need it. But since I have it, I'll use it. So that's also waiting. But maybe I'll use this first when I run out of the current one. And then vitamin C one, I'll probably start using straight away because I've run out. Although I was waiting, my online order did have a thing that has vitamin C in it, but I think it's not as strong. It's maybe 10%, not 15%. I don't know if I should wait for that because they haven't even sent me the notification that it's been sent out. Okay, well, I might start using that straight away. With this one, I'm going to finish the Glow Recipe watermelon one first. So, because I'm not using these together, you're not going to be able to know if anything is making that much of a difference, because I cannot be bothered to do that level of science. Because obviously I'm not really a beauty channel. I just keep getting this stuff and going, hey guys, look what I got this time. Yeah. Anyway, is that it for now? Yeah, cool. I'm really tired, and there was something else, but I can't remember. There's a lot of chaos going on in this house. I've changed my sheets, and I got dinosaurs now. Yep, new door, so I can't hang up my stuff. All right. I'm done. Bye. I really am.